Are custom stickers cluttering your iPhone keyboard collection and you're looking to delete or remove them? You came to the right place because this video is going to show you how to do just that, so follow my steps. The very first step is to open any application which uses the keyboard. This can be Instagram, WhatsApp, the messages, or similar. You just want to open the keyboard because we'll need to get access to our stickers. I'll open my Notes app, and all you have to do from here is to tap on the smiley option right here until you open the emojis, and after that swipe a couple of times until you see your custom stickers which you had created. I only have 2 of these stickers, and both of those are car stickers. In order to delete both of them, I'll just long press on the sticker until I get these options appear. Tap on Delete, and that's essentially it. This sticker will be permanently removed from your sticker collection. Repeat this step a couple of times for other ones if you don't need them anymore. But yeah, this is how you can delete stickers on your iPhone running iOS 26. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.